Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultra-luxurious 2026 King Aire Class A RV motorhome. This isn't just a road trip vehicle, it's a high-end home on wheels with unmatched craftsmanship, cutting-edge tech, and jaw-dropping comfort. Let's break it down. Let's start with the details. The 2026 King Aire sits on a Spartan K3 chassis and stretches just under 45 feet long. It's powered by a massive 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine, making it a true powerhouse for cross-country luxury travel. This model is built for those who demand top-tier amenities and performance without compromise. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 54,000 pounds and a 20,000 pound towing capacity, you're not just bringing the RV, you're bringing your lifestyle with it. Moving to the exterior. The 2026 model features a redesigned front cap with modern LED headlamps, sleek integrated daytime running lights, and a bold new grille that signals prestige. Its full-body masterpiece finish paint is hand-applied in multiple layers for deep gloss and durability. You get a dual Girard awning system with wind sensors, exterior entertainment center with a 43-inch 4K TV, and chrome trim that adds a premium automotive touch. Frameless dual-pane windows, hydraulic leveling, and passive tag axle steering give it that clean, solid stance on any terrain. Inside, the King Aire is pure luxury. From the moment you step in, you're greeted by Italian leather Captain S chairs, polished porcelain tile flooring, and hardwood cabinetry made from exotic woods like eucalyptus and wenge. The living area includes a large 8K TV on a televator, surround sound system, and full climate control with multiple zones. The kitchen offers a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a residential fridge with integrated water dispenser. The bedroom features a king-size sleep number bed, power blinds, and another 8K TV, while the rear bathroom includes a full tiled shower with a fold-down seat, dual sinks, and a massive wardrobe with built-in safe. Now let's talk comfort level. The cockpit is built for long-haul ease with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, digital displays, and active cruise control. Air ride suspension, adaptive steering, and sound-deadening insulation make the ride almost silent. Each zone in the RV has its own temperature control, and there's even radiant floor heating throughout. The King Aire also includes advanced air filtration and an Oasis hydronic heating system for year-round travel comfort. When it comes to performance, the 605 HP Cummins engine delivers incredible torque, especially on steep climbs and long hauls. The Allison 4000 mh 6-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the 2026 model includes electronic stability control, air leveling, and a tag axle system that enhances turning radius and fuel efficiency. With a 150-gallon fuel tank, you get excellent range, and the lithium-ion house battery system keeps everything running smoothly even when you're off-grid. Plus, it's equipped with solar prep and a 12.5 kilowatts diesel generator. In conclusion, the 2026 King Aire Class A RV is the definition of luxury on wheels. It offers an uncompromising blend of power, technology, and comfort for those who want the absolute best in motorhome travel. Whether you're planning a nationwide road trip or full-time RV living, this machine turns every mile into a first-class experience. If you're serious about high-end travel, the King Aire is the king of the road.